Hi, welcome to ShowMeTheCurry.com. I'm Anuja.
And I'm Hital, and today we're going to make a super simple Paan ice cream.
Yeah, I think it's a cheat ice cream.
It's a cheat ice cream. Yes, we're not making the ice cream from scratch, but we're going to show you a quick way to put this together, and your guests or your family will not be the wiser of it.
Right, so as Hital said, Paan ice cream. This is a Paan, basically we just picked it up from an Indian store. You can pick it up from wherever, but it's already pre-made. That's a Paan right there. And it's got the gulukand, it's got the supari, it's got the sauf, it's got all the mixture in it already. So what you're going to do is we're just going to break it up roughly and put it in a blender. It smells so good.
Yum. So the Paan is in here, and what we've done is we've got plain vanilla ice cream right here, and we left it out at room temperature for about half an hour, depending on how solid it was in the first place. But you kind of want it soft. I'm going to take a little bit of it and put it in here to help the grinding process.
So it's been blended. Look at it. So here we have a mixing bowl. We're going to put this in here. Now we're just making a small batch to show you what it's all about. But you can, increase the amounts as you need.
And it's really to taste, so depending on how many Paans you decide to grind up and put in there, you can increase or decrease the amount of ice cream. And also the intensity, if you really want a strong Paan flavor, then add less ice cream and more Paan, or vice versa. Now if you see your ice cream, it's kind of soft, but it's not completely melted. It's still got some texture to it, but it's just very, very like soft serve ice cream. So we're going to put a little bit in there.
And we'll just fold it in.
And once it's mixed in, kind of okay. It's okay if you see little lumps in there. That's absolutely fine. We're just going to cover it with some plastic wrap. And back into the freezer it goes. And it needs to freeze for just a couple of hours to solidify, and it'll be ready to scoop out again. So see you in a bit. So our ice cream was in the freezer for a little bit, and it's not completely solid frozen yet, but we just wanted to show you in between. If you have the time, you can do this. We just pulled it out, and it's still soft. But if we go ahead and kind of mix it around a little bit, it's going to aerate the ice cream, and it won't be so solid when it freezes again. So just move it around a little bit like this. And it also gives time for that Paan, which has settled to the bottom, to kind of again mix in.
Mix in and get a little more intensified actually. Oh, look at that.
Again, don't overwork, just kind of gently mix it in. And then back in the freezer again, and until it gets a little more solid.
So it's been another couple of hours. Let's check on our ice cream. I love the concept of Paan ice cream. Two things I love together. Oh, it's perfect.
Look at that.
It's creamy. And we're going to put it into the dish. Look at that.
Gosh, looks so yummy.
To top it, you can actually put anything you like. We've got a little bit of mukwas, which is also part of the, Paan family. And we're just going to put a little bit of that on top because it's already got a lot of intense flavors. But this looks so divine, and I think we've got to eat it before it melts.
Yep. Let's give this a try. Oh my God, so excited about this.
Eat it from here. Oh wow.
I can't even describe it. It's so delicious.
And I love the fact that you can still taste the Paan.
Yeah.
There are little pieces of it because of course there's supari in there, so it doesn't grind as fine, and it's absolutely wonderful, and I'm glad it doesn't.
Yeah, exactly. It's like sometimes you have a Paan after dinner and you're chewing like, forever. But in this case you have a dessert, exact same flavor, and oh my God, it serves two purposes. It's so delicious.
Right. And what a great way to just give a makeover to your vanilla ice cream, boring vanilla ice cream. Actually, some people love it, sorry about that. But, just to give it a little oomph, right? Awesome. Very, very nice.
So if you enjoy recipes like this, be sure you hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon so that every time we post a new recipe, you will be the first to know.
And don't forget to share this video and give it a thumbs up. And join us again on another episode of ShowMeTheCurry.com.
Adding a pinch of spice to your life.